I'm trying to be nice. When some of you come from gym, PE, recess, you smell like, you know what these are? Onions. You smell like onion soup. These smell better than you because these haven't been opened or cooked, but you smell it. So you need to go to the dollar store and get some form of deodorant or antiperspirant, okay? I'm trying to be nice. You don't want me to yell, okay? You don't want me to sing. We got the funk. We got the funk now. So just on the low, just go get some deodorant after recess or PE. Wash your underarms, put some of this on, okay? See you later. Please do it. I don't like spraying a lot of Lysol around. Mr. O, gotta go.